Welcome, doctors. Today, we're diving into an important topic that's key to ensuring your patients get the medications they need: eligibility verification. Whether you're prescribing weight loss medications like Wegovy or Zepound, the insurance approval process right the first time. But how can we make sure it's smooth sailing from prescription to medication fulfillment? That's what we're going to explore today. First off, what is eligibility verification? Well, it's essentially the process of checking if your patient's insurance is active and if the prescribed medication is covered under their plan. For drugs like Wegovy or Zepound, this process is absolutely crucial. These medications are high cost and require strict clinical justification, plus, they often need prior authorization from the insurer. That means the paperwork and verification steps are just as important as the treatment itself. Now, let's talk about why this verification step is so critical. Without a proper eligibility check, you run the risk of your patient's insurance denying coverage, often due to missing or incomplete documentation. Zappy Health is a game changer here. They ensure that all the necessary paperwork is submitted correctly, reducing those rejection rates significantly. Another benefit of eligibility verification is accurate out-of-pocket estimates. By confirming the insurance details beforehand, Zappy helps your patients understand what they'll owe up front, avoiding any surprises when the bill comes. But the biggest win here is the improved patient experience. By streamlining the process, your patients won't have to deal with confusing approval systems or unexpected costs. Zappy provides timely updates via app, SMS, or email, ensuring that the approval journey is clear and transparent every step of the way. Zappy Health has made eligibility verification a lot simpler and quicker. Here's how they do it. They run real-time eligibility checks using portals like Eligibility and Cover My Meds, ensuring within 24 hours that medications like Wegovy or Zepound are covered. And that's not all. They also have a dedicated virtual team of staff who gather insurance data, check formularies, and confirm clinical eligibility. Each drug is checked individually, so if you're dealing with a combination therapy, you won't miss any critical details. And when it comes to prior authorization, Zappy's team knows exactly what the insurers need: BMI thresholds, comorbidities, prior treatment failures, and more. They prepare and submit thorough submissions, ensuring you're one step ahead of any approval delays. So, how does it all work? After a virtual consultation with your patient, Zappy collects all the necessary insurance details. Then, using their sophisticated system, they check if Wegovy or Zepound are covered under your patient's insurance plan. If prior authorization is needed, Zappy handles all of it, submitting forms, gathering clinical documentation, the process moving. They track the status of the authorization, and if there's a delay or additional information is required, they make sure you and your patient are kept in the loop. Once the authorization is approved, Zappy coordinates directly with pharmacies to ensure the medication gets to your patient without further issues. Of course, there are some challenges in this process, like insurer delays or the fact that each insurance company has its own set of rules. But Zappy's system is designed to handle these complexities with ease. And what if there's a denial? Zappy can handle that too. If the insurance company denies coverage, they'll help file an appeal and gather any additional documentation needed. They even have options for cash pay or compounded medications if that's what your patient needs. In the end, Zappy Health makes eligibility verification seamless and efficient. They take the headache out of insurance approvals, giving you and your patients peace of mind. By ensuring that everything from insurance coverage to prior authorization is handled correctly, Zappy lets you focus on what really matters, providing your patients with the best care possible, without the roadblocks of insurance paperwork. So, doctors, if you're looking for a reliable way to handle eligibility verification, ensure your patients get their weight loss medications on time, and reduce the risk of denials, Zappy Health is the solution. Thanks for tuning in, doctors.